Understanding Return in Store, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, return in store. This is a common expression you might encounter while shopping or reading about retail policies. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it correctly. Return in store is a retail term. It means to bring back a purchased item to the physical store where it was bought or to any of the store's branches. This is usually done for a refund, exchange, or store credit. It's important to differentiate this from online returns, where items are sent back through mail or courier services. You would use return in store in situations where you have bought something and need to return it for various reasons. Maybe the size was wrong, or it wasn't what you expected. The process typically involves taking the item, along with the receipt or proof of purchase, back to the store. It's essential to know the store's return policy, as they can vary in terms of return window, condition of the item, and whether you need the original payment method. Let's see some examples. I bought this jacket last week, but it's too big. I need to return it in store. The store has a 30-day return policy, so you can return the item in store within this period. If you're not satisfied with the purchase, you're welcome to return it in any of our stores. I hope this video clarifies what return in store means and how you can use it in everyday situations. Remember, understanding such phrases not only helps in shopping but also in improving your practical English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.